good morning. I'm here this morning at 9165 Cordell Street in Los Angeles, Bird Streets, West Hollywood. And this house behind me is really cool. It's an older Spanish 1930s house that has been gutted and completely remodeled with all the nice touches and finishes that you'll see in the video. I'm gonna go take you out there in a minute, but I just wanted to give you a little more information about it. This house has a super nice master bedroom and 4 other ensuite bedrooms. It's around 6,800 square feet. It's listed for $14,800,000 US. It has a nice downstairs area with pool table, entertainment area. As you can see behind me, nice pool, jacuzzi, outdoor kitchen. I'm right now in the bar area on a small kind of guest house, which has that bar area, and behind me a powder room and a full bathroom for the pool guests. So that's a cool feature to have. On the other side of the house is also a detached 2-car garage and a much other cool features. So let's go take a look, all right? Follow me.